Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about nomenclature of phenols and ethers. So first of all, what is phenol? As we have discussed in the previous video, that when one hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced with OH group, then we'll get phenol. So this is the benzene ring in which this one hydrogen is replaced with OH group. So common name of this compound obtained is phenol, and as well as the IUPAC name is also phenol. Now here we can discuss some more examples. If in a benzene ring, one methyl group is present at particular carbon, this is the methyl group, and here one OH group is attached. So the common name of this compound will be orthocresol. Okay. Now the IUPAC name. This carbon will be taken as carbon 1. So this carbon will be carbon 2. So on carbon 2 there is a methyl. So the IUPAC name will be 2-methyl phenol. And I think I hope all of you know about ortho, meta, and para positions. Next example is here again a benzene ring in which there is one methyl group and hydroxyl OH group is here. So it is known as metacresol. Now, as I told you, this carbon will be taken as carbon 1 to carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. So the IUPAC name will be 3-methyl phenol. Okay. Now, next example is here. This is the benzene ring and methyl group and hydroxyl group or OH group is here. So it is known as paracresol. And the IUPAC name. Now we'll start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So methyl group is on 4th carbon. So 4-methyl phenol. I hope from these three examples you are clear about ortho position, meta position, and para position. Okay. So in this way we'll do the naming. If there is one hydroxyl group, now if in a benzene ring there are two OH group, so how we are going to do the naming? We are discussing one example. So these are two hydroxyl group. These are on consecutive carbons. So common name will be catechol and IUPAC name will be benzene 1,2-diol. As we have discussed in the case of alcohol also, if there are two hydroxyl group, we are going to use di, and for 3 we are going to use tri, like this. Okay, so it will be 1,2 benzene 1,2-diol. Okay, next example is here in which there is benzene ring and two OH group are there, but now the positions are different from the previous one. The common name is resorcinol. Now, if we start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, so it will be benzene 1,3-diol. Okay. Similarly, if we attach one hydroxyl group here and another here, the IUPAC name is hydroquinone or quinol, and IUPAC, this is the common name. IUPAC name, if we start numbering from here or from here, we can start numbering from any OH group. So it will be benzene 1,4-diol. Okay, so it is about the nomenclature of phenols. Now we'll discuss about ethers. In the previous video, we have discussed about ethers, that how we obtain the ethers. Okay, so we'll discuss the common name and IUPAC name of some ethers. Now this is the example CH3O CH3. Now there are two methyl groups. So common name will be dimethyl. Okay, because there are two CH3 or methyl groups, so dimethyl ether. This is the common name, and IUPAC name will be methoxymethane. Okay, now if it is C2H5O, C2H5, there are two ethyl group, so diethyl ether is the common name, and IUPAC name will be ethoxyethane. Next, if in these examples, both the alkyl groups are same on both sides of oxygen. Now, if two different groups are there, like this example I am taking. So here what we have to do, we have to take larger group as parent hydrocarbon. Okay, so there are 3 carbons in this toward this side, and there is only 1 carbon. Okay, so the common name will be methyl N-propyl. Why propyl? Because there are 3 carbons, ether. Methyl N-propyl ether, and IUPAC name will be 1-methoxy-propane. As I told you that the larger group will be taken as parent hydrocarbon. So parent hydrocarbon is propane. Next example is C6H5OCH3. Okay, so the common name will be methyl phenyl. Okay, ether, methyl phenyl ether, and the IUPAC name, the common name of this compound is methyl phenyl ether, or it is also called as anisole. And for the IUPAC name, as I told you, the larger group will be taken as parent. So benzene will be parent here. So the IUPAC name will be methoxybenzene. Okay, so in this way we can name some phenols and ethers. Now in next video, we'll discuss about the structure of these functional groups.